Rain, sleet, or snow. Is that my girl? Is that my girl? Is that my girl? Is that my girl? Oh God. Is that my girl? 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 Grinch. Is that my boy? Is that my boy? You don't want no door to your doghouse, do you, Grinch? Rain, sleet, or snow. Whoa! Watch out. Welcome to Lion Bread Presses, Mansell TV. Make sure you guys like the video. Subscribe, subscribe, subscribe. Got the Presa canarios out here running the yard. Rain, sleet, or snow. There she go running into that back corner again. Now, why would you pee right there? Why would you pee right there, Grinch? Ah. Why would you pee right there? Why would you pee right there? Grinch! Y'all want y'all rope? Y'all want y'all rope? Go get him. Go get Grinch. Come on, go get Grinch. Come on. Come on. Grinch. Y'all got y'all rope? They love playing with their rope. UKC registered, purple ribbon, Lion Breads, presses. Terra be 2 in November. Grinch is 6 months. Let's rock out. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yes, 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 yes. Yes, 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 yes. Hey, hey, hey. Is he gonna bite his jaw? Huh? Huh? You want me to put that hand up now? You want that hand up? Hey, be good now. Terra, come here. Come here. Come here. Why you so hype and stuff, huh? Why you so hype and stuff, girl? Why are you so hype? Come on. Come here. Come here. Rain, sleet, or snow. Grinch, come here. No, no, no. Grinch, 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 Grinch. Don't lean on me like that, Grinch. Grinch. Did you Grinch doing Grinch? Now be good. Be good. Be good. Be good. And be good. Come on, y'all. Be good. Be good. Come on. Come on. Come on, y'all. Come on. Terra. Come on.